Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do factory reset of your iPad mini 7th generation with buttons. So in order to do that, you will need to use the USB cable and you will need to connect your iPad to your PC, laptop, or your MacBook. If you have a Windows PC, then you will also need to get iTunes on your computer in order to actually finalize the process of factory resetting your iPad. Without it, you will not be able to recognize the iPad on your computer, on your Windows computer. Now, once we have that covered, you might see the information whether you should trust this computer or actually the iPad should trust this computer. So we can press trust in order to be able to detect the iPad on a PC. And like I said, you will need to open iTunes. Now, in order to go further, we will need to perform the shortcut for the recovery mode. Now, in order to go to the recovery mode, what you need to do is use all these buttons at the top, but to be precise, we will need to press volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the top button, the power button. So we need to be pretty quick with these buttons, so let's get right into it. So let's press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button or the top button, and we need to keep holding that button all the time until we actually see the recovery mode. So keep holding. We will see the Apple logo on the screen. There we go. But still keep holding the top button, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. This is the indicator of the recovery mode. So now once you open iTunes, you should see the information about your iPad on the iTunes app. And after that, what you need to do is pretty much follow the instructions that will be visible. There should be a button that allows you to factory reset your iPad and erase everything. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.